Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Chatbot AI account online on your Android device. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Chatbot account online on your Android device, first open up your preferred browser, as I'll be continuing with the internet browser. And after opening your browser, tap on the search bar and type in the address chatbot.com like this and tap on go, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Chatbot like this. And at the top right corner of this page, we can see there is the menu icon available for us. Tap on that menu button, and after that you can see there are a lot of options available for over here, but on the downside of the screen you can see there is the sign up for free button, and just below that there is the already a customer login button available for us. In order to sign into our account, let's tap on that login button like this, and you'll be directed over here, which is the login page of the chatbot. Now in order to log into your chatbot account, you can log into your chatbot account with your Google, Microsoft, Apple, your Facebook, or your custom SSO IDs from over here. And if you tap on either of these buttons, a login page to the respected platforms like Google, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, or SSO will open. And if you log into your respective accounts, you'll be signed into the chatbot with these accounts, but we'll not be doing that. We'll be entering our business email manually. So let's type in our address or the email address which we had registered on Chatbot at the time of creating our account. And after entering your email, enter your password over here. But if you have forgotten your password, you can see there is the forgot password button available for us. If you tap on that forgot password button, you will be able to reset or retrieve your password. Also, you can sign up for a new Chatbot account from over here if you tap on the sign up for free button. And after you have returned your email address and password correctly, tap on sign in and you'll be able to log into your Chatbot account from over here. And there guys, this is how you log into your Chatbot AI account online on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.